just more greetings. This will be a short one because we've done greetings for a few times now. So let's by recapping greetings. Hello. How are you? How have you been? Nice to see you again. There's some questions that you could ask. Quite formal, informal. Yo, what's up? Today we're looking at when you haven't seen someone for a while. You haven't seen someone for a while and it's quite a surprise. So maybe you've had a colleague who you worked with and they've left, or you've had a student that was your best friend at school and you've lost touch. Maybe they've working away at a different place and left their community, their village where they're staying. You've suddenly bumped into this person and you can say, oh, hi, hey, how are you? It's been a long time. You could say that if you haven't seen them for a while. Hi, how are you? Nice to see you again. Hi, fancy meeting you here. It's quite a surprise. Fancy meeting you here. Look where my stresses are. Fancy meeting you here. So I'm putting stresses on there just to help you with your pronunciation. Hi. So that's it. It goes like that, doesn't it? Hi. Fancy meeting you here. Fancy meeting you here. Wow. Been great. This is great. Fancy meeting you here. It's been a long time. Nice to see you again. What you up to? What you've been up to? What's up, if you really know the person? Wow, nice to see you again. How long has it been? 2 years? Wow. What have you been doing? So you can start with that. Wow, nice to see you again. It's been a long time. What have you been doing? So that's when you haven't seen someone for a long time. On this side, imagine you're at the supermarket or you're at the mall and you see your best friend. Oh, hi, nice to see you. Are you shopping? Oh, what are you shopping for? And you go on saying like that. So you meet them once. And then you go to the next store or you go to the next aisle in the supermarket and you see them again. Hello? We keep running into each other. We keep running into each other. You've seen them once. Maybe you've seen them twice. We keep running into each other. It could be the third time. This often happens to me when I'm at the supermarket or at the mall and I go to different stores or go to different aisles and I see the same person again. You could have a joke with them. You could have a joke with them and you could say, are you following me? And laugh. Hey, are you following me? I've seen you in the other aisle, or I've seen you at this store. Are you following me? They could turn around and say, no, I think you're following me. So they can switch it, yeah? But it's more of informal sort of speech there, informal speech when you see someone multiple times. Just be careful of your intonation when you're using both of the phrases that we've looked at today. Looked at stress on this one, where you have the intonation of rises and falls, so you can make the listener aware that, oh wow, you've really missed them. Or you're having a joke, laugh. Are you following me? You? Are you following me? Make a joke of it. Yeah, make a joke of it, especially if it's using this one. Don't forget, it's informal. Do not use these phrases if it's a business person or a boss that you keep seeing. Me, I would not be in the same place if it was me. I would not say these phrases at all. You just don't talk to people from, especially in the hierarchy. Or you could say, if you wanted to really speak to them and you kept seeing them again, nice to see you again. That is all. Or just smile. Use your facial expression. Use your facial expressions. Nod your head. Nod your head. Or just give them the wave. If that's tradition in your country, just give them a wave. Nod your head and just walk on. Using your face is all you need sometimes. But if it's informal, I would try these ones. Okay, so it was just going to be a quick video today, just more about greetings and introductions. All right. Thanks for watching my videos. Hope to see you again soon. Don't forget, please like and subscribe my channels, and I do reply to all comments. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Bye bye for now.